This short video is about making sweet profits online. No, I'm not suggesting that you start selling donuts, layer cakes, or flapjacks. I'll just use these goodies as analogies to explain some pretty sweet profit-making concepts. So here you are. You go to an affiliate network such as ClickBank or JVZoo, and you decide to promote a great affiliate offer you find there by placing an ad and sending cold traffic to the offer. If the offer, the ad, and the traffic are good enough, you might make a sale or two, and you get to keep part of the money as your commission. Or maybe you promote your own offer and keep all the money. Naturally, you're over the moon with your success until you look at your balance sheet and realize that you spent more than you made. Your mood suddenly shifts and you start thinking destructive thoughts like, I must not be cut out for this, or it doesn't work, or even, I've been scammed. But what really went wrong? Actually, nothing went wrong. This outcome is expected. It is well known that people are more likely to buy from those they know, like, and trust. This simply can't happen with cold traffic. So what can you do about it? Here's a 4-step process to start turning your fortunes around. Step 1. Use your offer to grow an audience interested in a particular niche. This opens the door to many related products in that niche. This is our donut analogy. In step 2, you warm up your audience so they begin to know, like, and trust you. Then in step 3, you send multiple offers to your warm audience. The likelihood of sales is improved by the fact that they know, like, and trust you. Plus, by offering a variety of products, you are more likely to find some that appeal to more people. Step 4. Once this is set up, you can add to your audience by sending more cold traffic to the original offer and by sending cold traffic to other offers in the same niche. This concept is called layering. As you layer offers from both cold and warm traffic, your balance sheet looks better and better until you reach the profit zone. Layering 2.0 involves subscriptions. Watch what happens to your balance sheet after a customer keeps their subscription for several months. Hopefully you can see the sweet logic of layering. But what if you could break even or even make a small profit before you ever start warming and layering? After that, everything will be gravy or syrup. Our last sweet concept to enhance profitability is stacking. In this scenario, you send cold traffic to an offer to grow your audience, but then immediately you send the buyers to another stacked offer that is a logical companion to the first one they bought. And you might even stack in another offer to those buyers. By recouping most of or all of your traffic expenses up front, you can enjoy pure profits from your warm audience from now on. And I call that sweet.